Hello friends, it's me Sulesh. Today I'm going to show how we can create a display ad, Google Display Network campaign from Google Ads account. Google Display Ads means something like here you can see the banner ads here. So this is another ad. It's like a automatically will pop up advertisement with image or video or some animation that when you're opening some website, mobile application or YouTube channel. So I'm going to show how we can create this campaign from Google Ads account. This video is for beginners, and if you don't have Google Ads account, how to create Google Ads account, you can find the link on this video description below. Once you are already inside Google Ads account, you can click on the campaigns tab here, left panel. Then you can click new campaign from here, or you can use this plus button to go for the new campaign. When you click new campaign, there is a different goal settings there. So now I'm going to select website traffic as a goal. If someone click on our ad, it will go to the website. So that goal I already selected. Then sub option there, I'm going to choose display option. Display, this is for the display network for the banner ads. So I'm going to click display. Then there is a standard and Gmail option there. Standard means your ad will go to the mobile application, website and YouTube channels also. But Gmail campaign, if you select in Gmail, it will go only on Gmail dashboard. Someone browsing Gmail, they can see inside the Gmail dashboard your ad. So I'm going to select now standard, so it will cover more platform. And before that, I will just show you the step. When you're creating a campaign, there will be three level. One is campaign level, another step is ad group level, then ad level. So the people will see only the ad level. This is actually the front end. For example, the people will see this is the third level, ad level. So we will start from the campaign level here. So that's why when you select your option here, for example it's a standard option, then they are asking a website address to understand the machine. The Google need to understand what product or service you are going to sell or promote. That's why they are asking a goal. So if you want to give website here, you can give, otherwise it's okay, you can leave this, you can ignore. Then after that there is some conversion option there. This we don't need to give now. This is advanced level, e-commerce level, so no need to select anything there. So again I selected website traffic, a display option here, that's all. Then here standard option, standard display campaign. Then I'm going to click continue. When you click continue, you will see the campaign level. This is the campaign level. So it's the campaign level until here the campaign level. Then ad group level is starting, same like here in this diagram. This is the campaign level. After campaign level finish, ad group level. This is the ad group level. Then when you scroll down, then this is ad level, the third level. This is ad level. So in campaign level there is a lot of setting we have here, so we don't need to use everything. Campaign name, so we need to give proper campaign name that you can give from your side for your reference. For example, when you are checking your campaigns, for example you have different campaign in your list, you are promoting different products or service, so you will have so many campaign in your list. Then later you will confuse that which campaign is this or where is the campaign for product. Something like when you are creating a folder on your computer desktop, so you will name it each folder. If you didn't name properly, then you will confuse later where is the file in which folder, like that. That's why we need to give proper name. Anything you can give. For now I'll keep it the same, but in reality you need to change the name. After that you need to select your location, which location you are going to target, or where you will put your advertisement, in which location or countries or cities, like that. Sometime it will be by default all country will be here. By default it will select all countries, and if you didn't check that, you will run your campaign. After that your campaign, your ad will show all over the world. Maybe you are not selling everywhere in the world, so you just wasting money for nothing. That's why you need to really target your location. So for example, if you want to target a location, you can click enter another location option here. And where is your location? So for example, you want to target UAE. For example, I'm going to search UAE and target. So I'm targeting all over UAE. Okay, so if you want to exclude some area, for example, all over UAE, you are going to target UAE or US, any countries you are going to target. And after that, you don't want to show some particular area you add. So what you can do, you can search that location name. For example, I'm going to search Sharjah. Then there is a exclude option, so I will click on exclude option here. So it means I am targeting my ad. My ad will show all over UAE but not in Sharjah, because Sharjah I exclude. So like that we can target and exclude, both we can do here. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this exclude option, so that we can give. And also there is some more option there. And for normal product and service, here additional setting, I will recommend people regularly in your targeting location. The first option is people in or who show interest in your target location. If you select this is the recommended one, by default Google will select this, but I will not really recommend for most of the product and service this option. I will recommend this, because if you select this, if someone search from, or someone is interested really from you for your product from another country, maybe Google understand that maybe they are looking for UAE some same product what you are selling, but you cannot really deliver or you cannot sell to another country. You can only reach to your customer within your targeting location only. So that's why we need we put people regularly in your targeting location for normal product or service. So that location option we can give it here. And after that, if you want, for example, you are going to sell a product only particular specific location only, even not completely, you don't need it in a one state or one city, you don't want some specific area only. If you want, what you can do, you don't need to select anything here, you can just enter another location here. Then you can go for the advanced search. You can see advanced search here, just click on that. Then when you click advanced search, then you can see here the radius option. So radius here, so you can search your landmark location for your shop name or anything. You can, for example, if you have already a location map on Google with your shop or your company, directly you can search that. If not, then you can search nearest landmark. For example, let me search here. For example, maybe my shop is near to Dubai Mall, or yeah, here Dubai Mall is here. I'm going to target here. So the Dubai Mall is target already here, and the center, this center for this circle, the center area is Dubai Mall, for example. Now here lot of area is selected here, so we don't need, or you will not get really the customer from this much far. So we need only maybe surrounding area for your shop, for example 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, something like that. So what you can do, you can see by default is a 20 mile is selected. So you can edit this location for the radius which you selected. Then you can put mile or kilometer here. For example, I'm going to target only 1 kilometer. Now if I save, it will change the radius. I'm going to save, it's already changed. Now you can see before it was selected 20 mile, all this area like this. Now it's only selected here. So it means, imagine your shop is here in the center area, center point here. Then from there 1 kilometer radius. So from center point to the boundary 1 kilometer like that you are targeting. So who will see your ad? Only this 1 kilometer radius area, surrounding area for your shop. If you don't want to show any other area, because the customer, they will not maybe come from far to your shop. It depends on what you are selling. It's like that. If you're doing online delivery, that then you can target more area. What is your reach? You can get, for example, what are the area you can deliver your product, that whole area you can target. But now this is like a normal shop, people are going to your shop, so that's why you can select like this also. Then this is the radius option. For smaller shops, something you can select. Also you can use the pin mode here. Pin mode, you can just click the pin and you can drop where you want. You can search from here your location, or you can directly drop your pin like this. Then you click the target option here. That is also 20 miles selected, but I will change to, for example, 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer save. So this is also, you can put multiple location like a same campaign, so your ad will show here in this selected area, also here. So both area your ad will show. So like that you can do more areas. So that is the radius option here. So now I am going to cancel here, and I will put here one location. For example, I am going to put US targeting. So completely total US I am targeting. So my ad will show all over this country. So like that, I'm not going to exclude anything. So this is the location option here, so we can target. Then after that, when you scroll down, there is a languages option here. So if you want which language customer speak, depending on that what languages audience you want to target, you can do, for example, English or whatever you need. For example, Spanish, if you need Spanish, you can like that. So you can select, or multiple languages also you can select, or if you want all languages, just remove the selected language, so all language will select. For now, for example, I am going to put English, the English user, the customer speak English, that I am going to target. After that, here bidding, how you are going to pay to Google. So we can pay here viewable impression. You can put viewable impression. It means we can pay like a 1000 impression. You can see CPM. When you put impression option here, is a viewable CPM is the bid strategy. CPM means cost per 1000 impression. It means 1000 time Google show your ad, they will take one amount. So that bidding price later we will put here. So later I will show that how we are going to put the bidding price. So that is the bidding option here, per 1000 impression how much you are going to pay. That setting you already done here, but payment, that amount value we will put later. And after, when you scroll down, you can see the budget here. So budget for one day, each day, per day, how much maximum you can spend per day, that is depend on your budget. For example, this is in AED dirhams for UAE. So I am going to put here, for example, per day, for example, 100 dirham. So 100 dirham per day is my limit. So more than that it will not go. Sometime it will go 110, something like that. It will go a little bit more, then your campaign will stop automatically for that day. Then next day only your campaign will run if you want. You can off and on anytime your campaign, and your money will be in your account. From that amount it will deduct. Okay, that's for the budget. And now I am just creating this for beginner level. So advanced level, we very detailedly will create a planning sheet, budget and everything. So now here additional setting option, there is a lot of option here. We don't need this all option. If you want ad rotation, we don't need something automatic option, just keep it as the same. And schedule option, schedule like all the day 24 hours you need to show your ad, or you need to put the timing here, this time to this time only your ad will show. For example, all the day, or you can mention here, for example, all the Monday your ad will show this time to this time. So starting time, end time, like that you can put. Then you can add another day, for example, Tuesday, what time to what time you need to show your ad. But normally I'm not really giving this when I'm doing the display ad, because we will target later more into the audience. For example, we are targeting, for example, one country or one city, but we are maybe sometime we will not target everyone there who is interested on our product or service. We will filter later. So when you are filtering like that, we cannot schedule, because we don't know our targeting audience, what time they are opening the website or mobile application or news website or YouTube channel. We don't know what time they are opening. So that's why your ad should be active 24 hours. So when your targeted customer, when they are using internet to browse some platforms, then only that time your ad will show if your ad is active. So that you can do. But if you are not doing more targeting with the audience in your campaign, you are only targeting with the location for everyone in that location, then maybe you can do the schedule option. Then if you want, you can put start date, when you want to start your campaign and when you want to stop your campaign, like that. Start date and end date you can put, or you can put none option, means continue, your ad will run. But if you want to off your campaign, there will be button. When once you save your campaign, there will be on and off button. You can pause your campaign, you can run, like that, you can active. So later I will show where it is. So anyway, now I am not going to put a start end date, but start date there is already. After that, you can customize, or you can select your specific your targeting device. By default, show all device, mobile, desktop or laptop and tablet, all the device is selected. But if you want to edit that, you can put this specific targeting for the device. So then you can off and on depend on what you need. For example, if you want computer, if you don't want, you can off that. And if you want mobile phone only, then you can off the tablet and desktop, and mobile phone you can, so the mobile user only, they will see your ad. If you want all, you can do, or if you want only computer, depend on that you can select, or you can select all device also. Then there is a conversion, this all advanced option we don't need to touch also for now. And dynamic or smart, automatic, we will not use any automatic option, so we will manually put everything. So this is the additional setting option here. After, when you scroll down, you can see the ad group. So this is the ad group. Inside your campaign there is another folder. So what is ad group name, that you can mention here if you want to give any name, otherwise you can keep it as a default, by default the ad group 1. After that, you can see the targeting option. There is automatic targeting, already they are giving, is a new update. So if you want to put manual targeting, then you can put a manually, you can targeting here. If you put automatic, then you will not see any manual targeting option. Google is the one controlling that. But if you want to do the manual targeting, then you can see audiences here, then different option, demographic, content targeting, different option for the targeting. So now I will just show only the audience in beginning level, but there is a more targeting, very advanced targeting option there. That all later I will create a videos for that. Now I'll just give you idea what is audience. It means you can get some audience who is interested in your product or service, something like that. For example, I'm going to sell a course. This is the digital marketing course I'm going to promote here. So I'm going to sell digital marketing course. So who will buy this? So I need to find out my audience. So you can see the browse option. When you click here, you can see different option here, who they are, demographic, what is their interest, habit. This is actually interest. Then this is behavior, what people are researching or planning, like that. So for example, if I'm going to select demographic here, so here you can see different option here. We need to really take time and find our audience from this. For example, if I click education here, education, current college students there, it means in my target location, it's a UAE now. In UAE, who is in currently college students, that is the audience here. If I select, I already selected who is your targeting audience. For example, this is a current college student. So who will see my ad? Those who are in college level, they will see my ad. Because why I selected this? Because I am selling course, digital marketing course or any courses. So this will be maybe my targeting audience. So I want to try this. That's why I selected. Like that, you can do different. For example, parents there. You can see parents. This is newborn babies, 0 to 1 years old kids, for example. So I don't want to select for my courses these parents. Maybe I can select these parents who have kids 13 to 17 years old. So the parents will see my ad, then they can recommend this course to they can suggest this course to their kids, like that. So it will take time. We need to really find out each and everything here, then which is related to your product or service. You can select the audience. So 2 I already selected. You can do multiple selection also. And once you select your audience, then there is a demographic option also. If you don't want female, you can off male, or any age group. If you don't want, you can off, so that age group they will not see your ad. If you off the female option, then male only, they can see your ad, something like that. So I will keep on everything here now, and after that Just scroll down, just ignore this whole part here for now. In advanced level, I will show that what is another type of targeting here. In audience also there is a lot of things there extra. So then when you scroll down, you can see the bidding CPM. Before we put already in campaign level, we are going to pay per 1000 impression CPM. Then they are asking now how much you will pay. That is the bidding price they are asking from ad group level. Why they are asking ad group level? Because the bidding price is depend on so many things, where you are targeting, which location, and what are the targeting in ad group we are using, what are the audience, or what type of targeting you are doing here. Depend on that the pricing will change. And this bidding price per 1000 impression, how much we need to pay, that actually we cannot find from anywhere. So we need to contact the Google Ads team, then they will give one amount. Or what you can do, you can just put some amount here like 5 dirham for 1000 impression for now. Then we can create a campaign. Then we need to observe your campaign, it's running or not. Just 1 or 2 days we need to observe. Then if it is not running, then you need to increase your bidding. Later I will show you how we can increase the bidding from the campaign level or ad group level once you save. So we need to little by little increase, and we need to check it's running or not. If your campaign is running, then the bidding is okay. Like this we can test and find out your bidding, how much we need to pay for 1000 impression. Again, this is for beginners, so maybe you will get some confusion for the bidding and all this, but just we need to understand the overview. That's why I'm making this video. We will do more detail later, some other video. So anyway, this is per 1000 impression how much you are going to pay. After you finish, then when you scroll down, you can see the ad level. This is the ad level, creating ad option. Creating ad option is third step. So we done already the campaign level, then we done the ad group level, we selected the targeting audience, then we are here now in the ad level. So we need to put we need to create our ad for the user, so the people will see this part. This is all just a supporting setting for your ad. So this is total one campaign. Okay, now in ad level they are asking what is your final URL. So someone click your ad, where they will go. So they will go to your landing page. It means which product or service we are going to sell or promote, that landing page. For example, I am going to promote a digital marketing page. So I will open one training institute website here. Then there is a digital marketing already they are providing. So I just click the digital marketing page. Now I am going to copy the landing page, but in reality you need to use your website landing page, or if you are doing for company, your company website. After you just paste here your landing page. So someone click on your ad, they will go to your website. So the preview is here. Still the preview is nothing because we didn't give any image or video. So we can give image or video here for your ad. So I'm going to click on image here. So when I'm clicking for image to upload, we can upload from your computer. So you need to really have a nice image. The graphic designer, they need to make a nice image for your ad. But for now, some images is coming from website automatically because I given the landing page. So from the website page, some image is already triggered here, but I'm not going to use. We really need to upload the nice image for your ad, because if your advertisement, whatever you did the targeting, but if your advertisement is not good, it's not looking nice, people will not even click on that. That's why we need to have very nice content. So now we need to really upload your image from your computer, but now I'm going to use the stock photos. Stock image means from Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a paid website. People are purchasing image from Shutterstock. It's an expensive platform. You can purchase your images, but this Shutterstock, they are giving free image for Google Ads. You can use for free. You don't need to pay money. What you need to do, you just search from here what image you want. For example, I need a related to digital marketing image. So just search here what you need, then enter, hit enter button. So it's loading. The image is loading from Shutterstock website. I will show you the website here. Shutterstock. It's a website. It's a paid website platform to buy the image. So this is the Shutterstock website. For example, I'm going to search digital marketing. so from their website. So now you can see the image will come here. This is all digital marketing related image, so we can purchase this image from Shutterstock website. But now here they are giving for free, you can use, but you can see the watermark there for Shutterstock. This watermark will show only for now. When your ad is running, then people start seeing your ad, that time they will not show the watermark, so it will be the original image. So for example, I'm going to use one image, for example this one, for digital marketing course. You can select this image and you can just crop, and you can make it this crop option there, so you can just make arrangement. There's two different layout there, the ratio. So this first ratio you need to make sure it's properly, the object is there inside the crop, so make sure like both of them, select your ratio. The image already selected, then you need to save, then it will appear here. So you can see the preview, how it will show your ad on mobile phone, mobile device, how it will show your ad on desktop user. You can see different layout there, depending on the availability of the website. It will show, for example, sometime Google will show something like this square image, the banner ads, so sometime like this. So different layout automatically Google will show depending on the availability of the platform. So different layout automatically Google created. So you just need to upload your image. It's already done. Now what you need to provide here, the headline, business name, description, that is here. So you can see, for example, here digital I just given headline digital marketing course. Digital marketing course already given is showing here, but you can see up to 5 headline you can add. For example, if I'm going to give a headline 2 as a digital marketing training, so my headline 2 is digital marketing training, but headline 1 and 2 it will not show same time. One time one headline only. For example, one user, one person, for example, you saw already my ad, now you will see maybe headline 1. Next time when you see my ad, Google automatically will change to another headline. So we don't know which is really catchy words people really attract, right? So we can try different words here like a headline, or if one is required, but if you want you can add more. Then there is one long headline option there. Long headline is actually for this only one layout here. It's a very large layout, so this normal headline it will not work here. So that's why you need to provide your long headline. For example, I'll put here long headline, same like this one headline. So you can see long headline now is showing here. This up to 90 character you can add long headline, but normal headline maximum 30, one column 30, one headline like that. Then after that you can add one description, one is required, so we need to provide that. Description also, just now I will put something here. You need to provide nice content, so I'm just putting some dummy text here to understand, but we need to really nice content also we need to provide from here. Then we need to put your business name, for example ABC training, something like that. We need to put your company name, brand name, that will appear somewhere here. You can see it's here, but now it's showing very small, but when it will go to the platform it will be really large, so people can really read that all. So that's all we need to care here. We just ignore this part, add URL parameter and all this we don't need now for the beginning level. So this is more than enough for the beginning level. So we did already our campaign, one campaign. Now we need to just save the campaign, that is the final button here. So all the settings we already done. Now I'm going to save our campaign, create a campaign, the final button. So the campaign already done and we are in confirmation button here. So we need to click on continue to campaign to confirm that, to save your campaign. So now I save my campaign. What I will do here, I will just go to the home page. So if you want to go to the main page, just click on the application button, so you will be on the home page. Then after that you can see the campaigns panel here, left side, the campaigns tab you need to click, then you can see your campaign, one campaign already in your list. If you create new another campaign, then all the campaign you can see here in the campaign list. Now I'm going to click and open the campaign. Then what is inside the ad group, the second step. So once you open the campaign folder, then you can see the ad group folder. Then once you open ad group, then you can see the ad is here. So 3 steps here. Then if you want to see how it will look, you can directly click on your ad. Then it will show the layout here. You can see different layouts showing here, but there is a link. You can copy the link from here, then go to the browser and just paste the link, so you can see properly the layout, the complete layout. This all for mobile phone, different layout depending on the mobile application platform. Your ad will show something like this on mobile phone, but here you can see the desktop. These are the different layout for the desktop, for the computer. So this all very nice layout. You can see the preview here. So then after that, once your campaign is running, you can see analytic part, how many people clicking, how many impression. How many impression means how many times show your ad. So like that we can track from here. Okay, once you done your practice, you can off your campaign from here. Pause the campaign. Our account is free account. We didn't active, we didn't put any credit card, so it will not go online. But again, just pause the campaign, so you can off and on any time from here. So just off the campaign. I hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any question, suggestion, you can comment. Also you can contact me in WhatsApp. And if you are looking for complete digital marketing course, if you want to learn with all the technique and advanced level, you can contact me. You can find my WhatsApp number on description below. Thanks for watching. Take care.